Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the symptom. A moving or loose fork usually comes from headset play. First, apply the front brake and rock the bike to feel movement. Once felt, loosen the stem bolts 1/2 turn so the steerer can rotate. Now tighten the top cap until the play disappears but steering still turns freely. This preloads the bearings. Make sure to do small adjustments and recheck play after each turn so you don't over-tighten and bind the fork. Once the preload looks correct, remove the front wheel, and if needed, the brake to give clearance. Then unthread the stem and lift it plus spacers off the steerer to access the bearing cups and crown race. You're doing this because worn or dirty bearings cause movement under load. Clean each bearing and race with degreaser, inspect for pitting or flattening, and either regrease good bearings or replace damaged ones. Reassembly must be clean. Contamination, you finish by putting bearings and spacers back exactly as removed, set the top cap to remove any remaining play, and then torque the stem bolts to the manufacturer's specification. This sequence prevents preload loss. After everything's tightened, install the wheel, brake, and perform a controlled test ride to confirm no knock or looseness. If movement returns, the key troubleshooting tip is to inspect the cups and crown race for wear or distortion. Replacing those
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.